Christmas arrives a little earlier in 2022 as BMW unveils straight-six rear-wheel drive coupe with a manual gearbox. This is the new BMW 3.0 CSL, a 552 horsepower's shorthand for everything that M division represents. Indeed, it's a distillation of perhaps every fiber that makes up BMW's core DNA. 2. Visiting aliens eager to discover how one of the world's biggest car makers became so popular need only look at the fundament, of which there should be plenty. Just as its daddy did, this new 3.0 CSL packs the most powerful iteration of that 3.0-liter straight-six engine, where the regular M3 and M4 get 503 bhp even in full-fat competition spec. This 3.0 CSL gets 552 bhp. Not just more powerful, but the most powerful 6C. There's a big, hardy straight-six engine up front. It's matched to a 6-speed manual gearbox, sending power to the rear wheels alone. It's lighter than the production car it's based on, and it takes inspiration from motorsport. It finds its roots in BMW's current DTM winning motor. There's a rigid crankcase, a forged lightweight crankshaft, and 3D printed cylinder head core, while the cooling system and oil supply are high-performance setups designed for extremely dynamic driving situations. There's 406 lb-ft of torque, and it finds its roots in BMW's current DTM winning motor. There's a rigid crankcase, a forged lightweight crankshaft, and 3D printed cylinder head core, while the cooling system and oil supply are high-performance setups designed for extremely dynamic driving situations. There's 406 lb-ft of torque, and the engine finds a mate in a 6-speed manual gearbox, whose spread and transmission ratios are ideally matched to the performance characteristics, featuring a gear knob that nods to the original BMW M shifters from the 70s. A sop to modern convenience comes in the form of a shift assistant,